morning, my friends and family. Angela here, and in today's video we're going to do another deconstructive bloom. This is Crimson Red by Artist. This is Purple or Violet by Liquitex Medium. This is Pink by Liquitex Medium. This is some brown that I mixed with some white, I think brown by Liquitex Medium, and this is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. So this is really a nice palette that I'm hoping that it will produce beautiful painting. My CELL activators are white, and this is just Titanium White by Amsterdam with my CELL activator mixture. And we also have black, which is Black Oxide by Amsterdam with my mixture. So yeah, let's get started here, and we should get pretty good cells because it looks like my mixture, I perfected it. In my opinion, it's perfect because I just did another painting that turned out really good. If you want to look at the painting right before this one, I did it this morning. So today is Saturday and I'm painting for the week. So yeah, I do 2 paintings every Saturday morning, so I can have enough to post twice a week. Because as you guys know, I'm a very busy person. I work and I have 2 kids, and I can't be painting every day. So yeah, so let's get started. My canvas, it's gonna be a 10 by 20, just like the previous painting. So let's go ahead and get started. And I should pour them just exactly the way they were sitting over here, in that order. Okay, so, and again, my base, it's Artist Loft with some Deco Art Satin Enamels and Floetrol, and water to bring it to consistency. All right, let's get going. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. deal. The deal now is to go ahead and tilt it. I think I need another one right over here, just a small one. Too much negative space in the middle. I don't know if I like that. Now put a little bit more. And this one I just, I don't know. Let's see. beautiful, beautiful palette, color palette. Look at guys. Ooh. So pretty, look at that. Success, loving it. So this is the wet result, guys. This is the wet result. I love it, and I love that I was able to add, you know, if I did only two blooms, it was gonna leave too much negative space in the middle, and you know me and negative space, we do not agree anyway. So yeah, so I added another bloom in the middle, and I love that there's still negative space, but it's not that much. Like there's negative space in between the blooms. You can, at least you can see that there's one bloom right over here, there's another right over here, and there's another right over here. Yeah, beautiful outcome. Okay guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family, and again, I upload twice a week, and that's like on Monday and Thursday. Mondays and Thursdays I upload. So check out my other videos in this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And what I'm gonna do is, once this is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and show you I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's dried up. God bless you and keep you safe. Bye. Love you all.